295 meditation on causing suffering to others. Sometimes we cause others to suffer out of ignorance, without even realizing that they are suffering. We are rarely conscious, for example, that animals also feel pleasure and pain, nor do we really understand the suffering of our close relatives unless we have been through similar experiences ourselves. Of course, they are the ones who are suffering, not us. It is only by saying to ourselves, when someone beats me or insults me, I suffer in this way or in that way. That one may have an idea of what they are going through. Okay. I kind of lost myself there. You might need to rewatch that. Anyways, happy meditating.